So I've got my plum tomatoes. I've got 3. I've got puree tomatoes. I've got my onions. I'm going to use 2. I've got my Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, Maggy cubes, sardine, I'm using 2, salt, ground ginger powder, curry powder, bay leaves, thyme, and sunflower oil. So I'm going to clean the fish with lime. So I'm going to cut the lime into 2 and squeeze it over the fish. This kills off. This serves as an antibacterial and also gives the fish a good smell. I'm going to add some salt. So this is the salt I'm using. A teaspoon. I'm adding some thyme. Curry powder, one teaspoon, So I finished blending the plum tomatoes and I'm going to boil it down and then I'll come back to it. So this is my garlic. I'm going to blend it now with the onion. So yeah, that's the fish cooked. I'm going to decant the water. I'm pouring that water out and I'm going to start frying the fish. So yeah, this is what the tomatoes looks like. It's been boiling for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm adding the sunflower oil. I'm going to fry the fish. Okay. So I'm using this onion to give the fish a nice flavour. So the fish looks well fried, so I'm going to start taking them out. So now I'm pouring some oil that I'll be using to cook the stew. Some people use the oil that they use for frying the fish, but I don't want to use that. I'd rather use fresh sunflower oil. So I'm going to fry the tomatoes. When you're doing this, reduce your heat, because if you do not, it's going to splash. So increase the heat now. Right, so you let the tomato fry. So I'm leaving it to fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is what it looks like. So you can see it looks really fried now. You can see so many holes, and the oil has come to the top. So I think it's ready now. I'm going to pour this oil out and then start cooking the stew. I'm just going to put the tomato paste. That's about a teaspoon of ginger. So some curry, Lion brand, 2 teaspoons. The sardines, a teaspoon of thyme, onion, garlic and Scotch bonnet pepper paste. So I'm going to use 3 cubes of Maggy. Stir well, mix it well. Some salt. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So I'm gonna taste it. Yummy. I love it. So all I'm going to do now is add my fried fish. So you're going to let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes after adding the fish, and then you switch off the heat, and that's it. This is your authentic Nigerian fish stew. Enjoy!